Now that we've got some highlighter on you, we're gonna go in and we're gonna give you some lashes. We're gonna start with the Wet n Wild Mega Volume Mascara in very black because all eyes should have very black eyelashes. I'm gonna have you keep your eyes open and look right here.
Tell me why it's bent.
I always bend them because doing a mascara like this isn't as easy as doing this. And you have more control over it than doing this. And when you put it back in there, it scrapes more of the product and loads it more. These are actually the lashes I have on my bottom.
Really?
But on you, they're huge.
I think your eyes might be a little bit bigger than mine.
You think?
Guys, no, that's a cute look to me. Mine are like, I feel if they were bigger, I'd be cuter.
No, you don't need bigger eyes, girl.